All right, this is what they call the quotient rule for exponents. And even though the word quotient means divide, which is what's happening here, you're dividing. You're taking y to the fifth and dividing it by y to the third. The rule is actually subtraction. Let's see, the rule says if you have, trying to find a spot here, if I have x to the a and I divide it by x to the b, it equals x to the a minus b. Well, in this situation over here, we've got y's. So if you've got y to the fifth divided by y to the third, it'll be y to the 5 minus 3, which is y to the second. Now, it is a division problem, but you subtract the exponents. And the reason you subtract them is this. When you have y to the fifth, that really means y times y times y times y times y. And you're dividing that by y to the third, which really means y times y times y. This y over that y reduces to 1 over 1. This y and that y reduces to 1 over 1. And this y reduces to 1 over 1. So basically, I'm left with, in the numerator, 1 times 1 times 1 times y, which is an invisible 1, y squared. And on the bottom, I've got 1 times 1 times 1, which is 1. And y squared divided by 1 is just y squared. Literally, the 3 y's on the bottom cancel out the 3 y's on the top out of the 5, leaving you with 2 of them. So the shortcut is just subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2. You are dividing, but the rule is subtract the exponents. So if I had a to the 8th divided by a to the 3rd, that's going to be a to the 5th. If I had z to the 10th divided by z to the 9th, that would be z to the 1st, but we would just write that as z. Just subtract. That's it.